Hello, my dear viewers. This is Deepak Jain here in English Mania, and today I am in conversation with Mr. Vihan Gupta, right?
Yeah,
Vihan, in which class are you?
I am in fifth class.
Okay, you are in class 5th.
Yeah,
Okay, today I am going to ask you certain questions. Fine, I will give you some topics and you would speak on them, right?
okay,
You will dwell on them.
okay.
ओके एंड बिफोर दैट लेट मी टेल यू ये जो होने जा रहा है ये वन ऑन वन सेशन है राइट जैसे इंटरव्यूज में होता
Yes,
है ना ओनली वन पर्सन वुड कम इन द कैबिन
yeah.
राइट और बाकी सारे बच्चे कहाँ बैठे हैं
Outside,
हाँ दे आर सिटिंग
outside.
आउटसाइड बाकी सारे बच्चे बाहर बैठे हुए हैं राइट तो मैंने सिर्फ तुमको बुलाया है बिकॉज इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ और एन इंटरव्यू राउंड ओके
Yeah,
so are you ready to speak on the topics?
of course.
That is good. Okay. So, Mr. Vihan, right now I want that you to speak or you to give your views on reservation.
So reservation means arakshan. The Hindi meaning of it is arakshan. And reservation means we can say it is a fundamental right of SC/ST caste or OBC caste people,
Okay.
in which we can be passed in lesser marks.
First of all, I want to know what is reservation. What do you know about reservation or what do you mean by reservation?
Suppose there is a person and he belongs to general caste, and second and third belongs to OBC and SC/ST caste, okay? And there is an exam, we can say any competitive exam of IPS or IAS, and the exam is of 200 marks. So in that, suppose if the first person, which is of general caste, he want to be passed, so he wants or he should get or he have to get it, we can say 180 marks to get passed. And at another hand, the person of OBC caste have or should have got 160 marks. And now last, SC/ST caste people should get 100 marks. So this is called reservation. So reservation was created because of humiliation. So it was created by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. So he used to belong to SC/ST caste, and one day he was going to school, and as I said that he used to belong to SC/ST caste, and he was going to school and he was very tired. So a person was going by bullock cart, means बैलगाड़ी, and he thought that the child is very tired, I should help him. So he said that, where are you going? He said that I am going to school. So he said that I will drop you, you can come on my bullock cart. So he sat on it, and like this they were going. Suddenly a discussion happened, and he asked that, what is your name? So he said that my name is Bhimrao Ambedkar. So suddenly he got to know that he belongs to SC/ST caste. So he said that, get off by angriness, get out of my cart, otherwise I will beat you. And when he went off, when he kicked him off, so he also washed the cart. So after seeing this, he was hurted a lot, Bhimrao Ambedkar, and then he thought that I want to be a god for these people, first people like this, okay, for SC/ST caste people. And then he thought that I should make something to do.
Okay.
Then he made constitution, and there are many things in the constitution, but the main thing, not main thing, there are many things. The thing which I know is reservation.
Okay.
So this is called reservation.
That's what you know.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Now, Mr. Vihan, I want you to give your views about, like, there are marriages, right?
Yeah.
Love marriage and arranged marriage, and then there is live-in relationship. Okay, so which is better? I mean, which one is the best? What do you think?
I think love marriage is the best, and live-in relationship, we can say that it is not a marriage. It is the time where you can know each other. When you live, you will know each other, and it is the time to spend with each other. But there are some advantages of live-in relationship also. So if I talk, where is it means come from in existence of arranged marriage. So it came in existence from India and Indian culture only. Because at earlier time there was no love marriage, and arranged marriage have come from the time of kings. Okay. And if I talk about the love marriage, so in love marriage we can choose our life partner by ourselves, to whom we love.
So is it good to choose?
Yeah, it is good.
Or was the arranged marriage better?
According to me, it can be better.
How?
Because there are many people who don't have love. So for them, arranged marriage is the best. Because if their parents will say that love marriage, only love marriage, and apart from love marriage, no marriage, okay? Suppose they have no love, so to whom will they marry? So
Okay.
they, yeah, so that's why arranged marriage is there, and they can go for arranged marriage. And in live-in relationship, as I said that it is most common in Western culture. Suppose you are living in an apartment, okay? And suddenly you fall in love with a girl and she also likes you. So you can live, so you can call the girl in the apartment and you can live there. So it is called live-in relationship. And suppose I said that it has,
Is it good or bad?
so according to me, it is good before marriage, but suppose you have got married, so then according to me it is bad. Suppose you have got married with a girl and then you are revealing relationship
But
with,
that will not be live-in relationship then.
no, with another girl.
Another. Okay.
Yeah, so then it
So
it
you
is,
mean to say before marriage it is better?
Yeah.
Or it is good?
Yeah.
And after marriage it is not.
yeah.
Okay.
So if I talk that why is it bad? No, in Western culture, as I said that it is in common. It is a tradition there, not tradition, but most of the people can do this. But in India culture, it is not common because, as I said that love marriage is not common even. So how will real relationship will be common? So that's the point.
Okay. That's what you think about it,
Yeah.
right? Okay. Now I want you to share your views about unemployment in India. What is the reason behind it?
I think unemployment means berojgari.
Right.
When some person has no work, and if someone will do business, so no employment will be there, and even he can hire more people. But if someone is doing the job and suddenly his boss rusticates him from the, terminate him from the job, and he is not able to get the work, so that's called unemployment. And according to me, the reasons can be, suppose he is not a good person, suppose he demands for high salary and he is not like that, his performance
He
is
does
not
deserve
that.
Right.
And second reason is that ego. Some people have ego. Suppose you want to work in a hotel as a manager, okay? But first time you cannot be the manager. Firstly, you will be the waiter, then HR, I think, and then manager. Cashier.
Receptionist.
Yeah, then
Okay.
manager.
Right.
But some people want to be a manager at first time.
Right.
But if they want to be, so they should be experienced and they should be hardworking. But suppose a new person is there, so how can the hotel owner can make him or make her manager? Because it is the question of respect. If he will not perform good, so people will say that don't go to that hotel, and the manager is very rude and he don't know how to take care. He doesn't know how to take care of customers.
Okay.
So that's called employment.
Okay, that's fine. Now, Mr. Vihan, I want that you to share your views about success. What is success and how can a person get success? And I mean, some people succeed in their life and some people fail.
Yeah.
So, why do some people succeed and why do some people fail in their life?
So according to me, it is so because some people are not hardworking, okay, and they have no determination. So determination means dृढ़ निश्चयता. If you have no determination, so you can never be succeed in life.
You can never
Get succeed.
success in life. Okay.
Succeed
Uh-huh.
in life.
Okay.
Because suppose you want to be a cricketer, or we can say any example. Suppose you want to be a businessman or singer. So for that you have to practice. Suppose for a singer you have to practice to sing. But suppose after some time you see that I am not doing well, so you will think that it is a very, we can say, bad profession and I will not be the singer and I will choose another aim. So at one or two times you can. But suppose someone is there who is doing that every time. Suppose his parents will also say that तुझे कुछ चुनना तो है नहीं. Suppose a child is there and he wants to be the doctor, and then he will take PCB. But after some time he thinks that I don't want to be a doctor, I want to be engineer, so he will take PCM. So one or two times is fine, but every time is not good. And second is dedication. Dedication means lagan, and it is similar to determination. Means suppose someone is studying, so many distractions are there, like mobile phone is there, and bahar suppose in colony many friends are there, so they can also call to play or to go somewhere. Yeah, and many works are also there, like homework, so he will not be able to study.
Right.
So if he will be dedicated, so he will not be distracted. He will say to his friend, I will come tomorrow, today I will study. But suppose he is not dedicated, उसमें लगन नहीं, तो वो सोचेगा पढ़ाई तो कल भी हो सकती है ना, आज खेल लेता हूँ तो वो चला जाएगा, अगले दिन दोबारा उसके बुलाने आएंगे तो वो दोबारा चला जाएगा, तो ऐसे करके करके उसका काम ही नहीं हो पाएगा.
Right.
And second and sorry, third is laziness.
Laziness.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Suppose someone is very lazy, so he will never be successful in life.
He will procrastinate.
Yeah, procrastinate.
हाँ, आज का काम कल पे टालेगा वो,
Yeah.
है ना? So he will procrastinate.
Yeah,
So procrastination will take place.
yeah.
Right? Okay. Now, Mr. Vihan, do you know something about superstition?
Yeah, superstition means andhvishwas, and there are many andhvishwas in Indian culture and even Western culture also. And some superstitions are common in both of the cultures.
Hmm.
Okay, so if I talk about some examples, so suppose it is a superstition that suppose
Be loud, please. Right?
suppose a crow comes on your roof and you started shouting. So many people are there who are superstitious and they will think that a guest is going to come. So they will make food and they will set all the home. But after that they will realize that no one is coming. It was just a superstition.
Okay.
And it is very small. Many superstitions are there in the case of religion also.
Hmm.
So it's a superstition that suppose any person is there and he is a priest.
Hmm.
So superstition is that अगर हम जैसे if we will do love marriage, so God will punish us. Some parents can say to you, as I said that in Indian culture it is not common, and some people also say that kissing and smooching. If you will do this, so you will be a sinner.
Sinner.
Yeah, God will punish you. But according to me, it is only superstition. Because if someone is kissing, if he is raping or he is doing this kissing and smooching intentionally, and girl doesn't want to do, so in that case he is a sinner. But suppose it is his wife or girlfriend, so in that condition there is no problem, because girlfriend is of that boy, not of that baba.
Okay.
So it's a superstition, and because of that many people don't love. They say that God will punish me.
Hmm.
And third example is that suppose you are going and suddenly you sneezes. So your family member can say that sneezes.
Okay.
So family member can say that don't go outside of home, and if you want to go, so go after 10 minutes.
Okay.
According to me, it's irrational,
Okay.
because suppose you are going to a meeting. Or not meeting, suppose you are going to see a movie and suddenly you sneezes. So your family member will request you to stay for 10 minutes. And if you will stay 10 minutes, so your movie will be left, or when you will go, then it will be started. So पूरा मजा किरकिरा हो जाएगा, हम लोग ऐसे कह सकते हैं. And if I talk about some rational superstitions, yeah, I forgot to tell what is irrational and what's rational.
Okay.
Irrational means ऐसे superstition, not only superstition, in anything which is illogical, which have no logic. And rational means भले वो गलत हो पर उसमें कोई logic है. So if I talk about some example of rational superstition, so it is a superstition that we should not cut the tree of people, because on that ghost is there. So according to me, it's rational because
Many people say no, gods live on people. Many people say at night ghosts live
yeah.
like that.
So we can say anything in the case of God and in the case of ghost also.
Right.
So according to me, it's rational because if we will cut the trees, so our environment will be polluted. And you can take the example of Delhi, China. There is too much of pollution, and even government have to give the order to close all the schools, primary schools, if we have read in the news. So if I talk about the next example, so that's we should never pollute, or we should never take bath in. We can take bath, but we should not go nude in river Ganga and Yamuna. So then God will punish us. So according to me, it's rational, because river Ganga is also very polluted nowadays, and even we cannot drink the water of it. And if someone will take bath and someone will clean the clothes, so what will happen? You can think that. And because of pollution, it is also there. So according to me, it's rational. And these are the some examples. And if I talk about the advantages, so advantages are there in the case of rational, and disadvantages are there in the case of irrational.
Okay.
Suppose you are going and suddenly you thought that my sister's or my daughter's marriage is going to be there. So you go to temple and please say to you, please give me 100 rupees, and then I will tell the upay, we can say, or tell the idea solution. Suppose if he says any rational solution, so that's nice. But if he tells irrational, Yes, sometimes he can say that अपने घर
Sometimes.
sometimes they can say that आटा बाटो है ना. So according to me that can be rational because then God can give us blessings, so it might be the case. But some irrational superstition are, so he can say that अपने पंडितों को खाना खिलाना है ना, तो वो ऐसे नहीं, तो वो भी it can be rational or it could be rational if he could say that or if he would say that. So उनका पेट भरेगा, वो तुम्हें दुआएं देंगे, तो वो rational हो सकता था. But sometimes you have also seen when some festival comes in which priests will come to your home or brahman and they will eat the food, and it is believed that, or it is a irrational superstition that food will go in the stomach of your we can say grandfather or father.
Okay, जैसे श्राद्ध में होता
Yes,
है.
yeah.
Right?
So it could be rational. अगर ऐसा होता कि वो जब खाएंगे तो तुम्हारे पूरे घर को ऐसी दुआएं देंगे कि जल्दी से कोई मरेगा नहीं, तो इट कुड बी रेशनल. बट वो ऐसे कहते हैं कि उनके पेट में जाए, वो जब वो मर चुके हैं उनका पेट भी जल चुका है. और इट इज ऑल्सो रिटन दैट इन मैनी दैट भागवत गीता जैसी बुकों में लिखा हुआ है कि जब कोई मरता है पूरा शरीर जल जाता है, ओनली आत्मा बचती है. सो ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता कि अगले जन्म में जैसे कि वो कोई बिल्ली बनाए तो बिल्ली के सामने अचानक से दूध आ जाएगा कटोरा भरा, है ना, तो इट कैन नॉट बी हैपन.
Okay.
सो अकॉर्डिंग टू बी इट्स इरेशनल.
Okay.
If
You
I,
don't believe in this, right?
if it is rational, so I can believe. Suppose in the case of God and ghost, so I can believe. But if it is irrational, so there is no need to believe.
Is there any superstition at your home that you personally dislike, but you have to follow sometimes?
I think, yeah, there is. I think so.
Okay.
But I am not angry with it. But there is a.
Mm-hmm.
Sometime my grandmother said that if you will eat in whole that kadai or in whole bowl, if you will not take it in the plate or any that katori, so it might be the case that in your marriage rain will be there.
Okay.
Yeah,
अगर आपने कढ़ाई से खाना खा लिया तो तुम्हारी शादी में
बरसात हो जाएगी.
बरसात हो जाएगी.
So
Right?
it's a superstition.
It is
But
superstition.
I don't believe in this.
Okay.
Because-
So you eat from the कढ़ाई,
No, sometime I suppose if I will
but
eat
you
from the,
follow, huh?
yeah, no, I don't follow personally.
Okay, okay. Okay, that's great. So personally, are you superstitious about anything?
Yes, some rational can be there that we should not, yeah, it's also superstition that you are going, okay, so you should not, we can say you should not do toilet on any plant, or like suppose any road is there, so in the drain you can do, but in front of a tree you should never, because then ghost can come.
Okay.
So according to me,
So you are afraid of that?
yeah,
Okay. So that made you superstitious in this case?
yeah,
Okay. Can you speak on life? Do you know what is life?
yeah.
Please tell me.
So there are many definitions of life. Some people will say life is like a gamble, and some will say life is like a game, and some will say life is like a examination.
Okay.
And some people can also say life में बस मजे करने के लिए होती है, खाओ पियो मर जाओगे.
Okay.
And some people can say that मेरी जिंदगी बिल्कुल खराब हो चुकी है, I want to do suicide, I want to commit suicide.
Okay.
So I will talk about all of these.
Okay.
So firstly, some people will say life is like a game. So they are right at their place, but not every time. But overall, it is like a game. Because in life, competition is there. Means you go for exam, go for giving competitive exam like IAS, and if you want to be a businessman, so you have to beat the another opponent. Suppose you have opened a shop, and in front of you a shop is there which is very famous. So you have to, we can say, renovate your shop or make the work better so that people will come to you, not to that shop.
Because there is cutthroat competition.
Cutthroat competition,
Right.
and it is same in game also. You have to beat the another opponent and you have to win the game. And some people will say that life is like a gamble. So they are also right. Because in gamble हम लोग पैसा दाव पे लगाते हैं, अगर हम लोग जीत गए तो हमारे पास आएगा, अगर नहीं जीते हार गए तो चला जाएगा, है ना, तो हमें लॉस हो जाएगा. Same case is there in business. If you will invest money, and if you win the game or win the gamble, so the money will come to you and extra money will also come to you. But if you lose the game, so money will go and you will be lost in life.
Yeah, you will have to incur the loss.
Yeah, incur the loss.
Yes.
And some people say that life is a examination.
Right.
So from this definition, a question or answer also comes. So some people will say that why don't we see the God? So I will tell you later. So firstly I should cover this definition. Why do they say so?
Okay.
because in life we have to do many things, and if we will pass, so we can also get many things.
Hmm.
Suppose someone creates a car which runs only on water,
Hmm.
then there is no need for petrol. Okay, so he will we can so एग्जाम में फर्स्ट आता है, और समटाइम ही कैन ऑल्सो गेट नोबल प्राइज, उसकी खबर हर अखबार में छप जाती है, और धीरे धीरे करके जैसे अमेरिका पे वो इन्वेंट हुआ, तो अमेरिका से लेके इंडिया तक आने में फिर टाइम नहीं लगेगा ज़्यादा. So we can say like it's like an examination. And if I talk about the question, why don't we see the God? And from here a theory is also there. That when we were the angels, so we used to only pray God. And this theory is from Islam. So I will not say God, I will say Allah. We used to only pray Allah. So one day Allah thought that they are praying me because they like me, or they are praying me because they are afraid of me. Yeah, and I want to give the example. Suppose you have a dog, pet dog. So he will not bite you. There are two cases. First case is that he is loyal to you, and second case is that he is afraid of you. That वो काटे तो हम लोग मारेंगे ना, हमने कभी पहले मारा होगा उसे. So Allah wanted to check this only. So He created it from question paper like exam, and He said that I will remove your all memory and you have to go on a planet Earth. And if you will do only misdeeds, so you will fail in this exam. And in earlier time you have to मतलब फेल हो जाते हैं, तो जैसे री एग्जाम होते हैं ना, वैसे ही जैसे मान लो अभी हम इंसान थे पहले जन्म में, हमने कोई बहुत बुरे काम किए, तो अगले जन्म में हो सकता है हम लोग कुत्ते बन सकते हैं, तो हम लोग फेल हो गए वैसे. And suppose someone only does good deeds, so he will be passed. And at उसे मोक्ष भी मिल सकता है, अगर उसने कुछ मतलब इतने अच्छे नहीं किए मोक्ष के लायक, पर उसने अच्छे काम किए हैं, so he can get the birth of a human again. Or earlier it might be the case that he was a poor person, and earlier he was more poor, but here he is very rich person.
Okay.
So that's how I know about it.
Okay. So that is your definition of life, and
Yeah.
you have the knowledge about life, right? Many definitions you gave, and you tried to justify that also.
Yeah.
Right. That is very good. Most convincing definitions were there. Okay. Otherwise, nobody has known what life is, right?
Yeah.
That's good. Okay. Now, Mr. Vihan, I want you to speak on democracy. If you know, अगर आपको जानकारी है तो.
So the Hindi meaning of democracy is loktantra.
Okay.
Means we can say that in democracy people have all the rights. And there's also word when we will talk about democracy, so we also should talk about that. That's dictatorship.
Okay.
And in that we have rights, but not compared to democracy. And as compared to democracy. And there are some conditions also in dictatorship. If your dictator is good, so then you will get the choices. But if your dictator is bad, so you have no choices. So in democracy, people have right to choose their leaders as election. If you will go to any country like China, so there are no elections. Okay. So
That communist party is
Yeah.
there.
like monarchy, but there is a little bit difference between monarchy and dictatorship. Nowadays president and PM are there, but at earlier time kings used to be there. Okay, so as per their choice, पहले जैसे राजा होते थे, अब ऐसे लोग आ गए नॉर्मल.
Okay. As a
So
dictator.
a dictator. So if I talk about democracy, so if I talk about the advantages, so people have the right to choose their leader, but suppose sometime mistake हो जाती है हमसे, sometimes हमसे mistakes हो जाती हैं.
Right.
Suppose someone has given wrong vote, and suddenly जिसको wrong vote मिला था वो ही बन गया, और पहले तो उसने earlier he was talking very good and he was very loyal to people, like I will give free food to the poor people, and I will also take care about the medical education etc. Okay? But after he was elected, then उसने कहा मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं कर सकता, मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है इतने.
So it means he backed out of his promise.
Promise, yeah,
So some people
back out, and he also did this.
Huh.
So people can also raise voice. So but by saying of one person cannot be done anything. Okay. But suppose many people are there who are raising the voice, so government will see this, the president or the seniors, and then they will change the leader. But in dictatorship, suppose I am the dictator, so after me no one can be the dictator, only my son or my daughter will be the dictator. And as I said that if a dictator is good, so then you will get facility. If we can take the example of, I think, China. China is very developed city or country, but there is also a problem. There you have no right to worship your god. There are many left temples, or I think no temple. Okay, there are only buildings. And if I talk about North Korea, so there is a bad dictator because that country not developed, and people have no right to raise any kind of wife. Otherwise, it might be the case that in the dictator for that they can army can also kill that.
There's Kim Jones,
Yeah, I think he is.
dictator, right?
Yeah,
His father's name was also Kim,
I don't know about
right?
that.
And when father died, then anniversary is there, death anniversary.
Yeah, I know.
तो जब उनकी डेथ एनिवर्सरी होती है ना, तो 10-11 दिन तक यू कैन नॉट सेलिब्रेट योर बर्थडे
I know that.
in those 10 or 11 days.
Yeah,
Do you know that?
Yeah.
And you cannot even laugh.
yeah.
अगर तुम हंसे तो गए बेटा जेल,
Yes.
राइट? और यहाँ तक कि अगर जैसे मान के चलो उस कंट्री में अगर आपका फैमिली मेंबर कोई मर गया तो यू कैन नॉट इवन क्राई लाउडली.
Yes.
Okay? Because it means you are going to interfere in the mourning of the dictator,
Yes.
dictator's father, right? तो ये सब उचित है?
According to me, it is bad.
It is bad, it is unfair.
Because if he is celebrating not celebrating, if he is crying on the death of his father, so people should also have the right to cry on the death of their family members. So according to me, it's bad. But in China, this thing is not there. So that's why I will consider it as a good country. But there is a problem there. You cannot worship your god.
Hmm.
So if I talk about the disadvantages of democracy, so there are many disadvantages. Like if I give the example of corrupt leader, and if you will raise the voice, so after some time your action will be there, and sometimes they back up from their promise.
They back out.
They back out from their promise
They back out of their promise.
of their promise,
Hmm.
and they leave also there.
Okay.
Suppose demonetization was there,
Hmm.
so
Why are you saying suppose? Because demonetization was really there.
okay,
Hmm.
demonetization was there.
Hmm.
So the PM after conversation was there about this topic many times, many months later. Okay, and after a conclusion, he launched this policy. But suppose many people are there who don't agree. So
Okay.
suppose 50% people will agree and 50 will not agree. So there we will see the points. But suppose Modi was discussing about that, and suddenly many people raised the voice about that. So if he will launch that, so उसकी बहुत मतलब नफरत भरी उससे हो जाती, लोग उसको नफरत भरी नज़रों से देखते.
Okay.
But here many people was in favor of him, so he did this.
Okay.
And sometimes morality is not there.
Hmm.
Suppose in India, some villages are there in which only religion is there, no
Can you
development.
louder, please? Because
Okay.
you're
No.
sitting so close to me, I'm not able to hear.
No religion is there.
Hmm.
Sorry, religion is there and no development is there.
Okay.
Suppose leader have to be elected there. So there, firstly he will not see about the development. He will see about the religion.
Okay.
And he will say that अगर मैं यहाँ का बनता हूँ अभिनेता तो मैं यहाँ पे बहुत से मंदिर बनवाऊंगा. Then people will be happy and then they will vote him.
Okay.
बट सपोज अगर वो ऐसा कुछ नहीं कहता, वो कहता है खाली मैं डेवलपमेंट करवाऊंगा और बाद में बिल्डिंग ही बिल्डिंग बन रही है ना वहाँ पे, तो पीपल विल थिंक दैट हमारे मंदिर तो अब टूट रहे हैं बल्कि बिल्डिंग के चक्कर में.
Okay.
सो देन दे विल रेस अ वॉइस एंड देन लीडर विल बी चेंज्ड.
Right.
So they only see, the leader will see for the interest of the people,
So
and
that
he
is the minus point.
Yeah.
The drawback, right?
yeah drawback.
Okay, fine. So, Mr. Vihan, I also want you to please let me know about the dowry system. Do
So
you like it or do you dislike it?
so most of the people are there who dislike it, but there are some conditions also. It is bad because some people are not able to marry, but it is there in the case of arranged marriage most of the times, or many times even. And some people are not able to marry because of their family backup. Suppose suppose a girl loves a boy, and a boy loves a girl. We can take the example of it also. And girl is doing a job, but parents want the girl as a housewife. Suppose they compromised, but when they ask for dowry, so girl family denied. So they will say that एक तो ऐसे जॉब वाली बहू ले रहे हैं, ऊपर फिर डावरी और नहीं दे रही है. So the रिश्ता will be broken down, or we can say the relation will be broken down.
Okay.
but in love marriage they love each other, and their parents will interfere a lot. But suppose if it is arranged marriage, so they will not like dowry because it is banned from the side of Indian government.
Okay.
So they can ask that what's your budget, and suppose वो कहते हैं 5 लाख और हमको चाहिए 10 लाख की, है ना, तो मना कर देंगे, वो फोन ही नहीं करेंगे अगले दिन.
अच्छा.
And so it is bad like this. But if you will ask that how is it good, so sometimes the demand is also there from the side of groom family. They want, suppose they want a housewife, they want a tall girl, they want a beautiful girl, and they want a girl which will take care of her,
Which mean
who will take care of their parents in law, and she will not go anywhere, and she will only wear sari. So there are many things. Okay. Conditions. And from the sides of bride family there are even many conditions.
Right.
Like only government employee should be there,
Okay.
and he should be tall, and he should know some basic things. Yeah.
He should be handsome.
Handsome. And he should take care of the what was that? Yeah, girl,
Okay.
wife. And he should also know how to drive car. And yeah, and his salary should be good.
Salary
good.
Okay.
And suppose if he is a businessman, so no marriage will not be there because he is not a government employee.
He is not self-dependent.
Yeah, self-dependent.
Right.
So if there are many conditions from the side of groom's family and bride family, but suppose from the side of bride family there are 60%, and from the side of groom family that's 40%. So in that condition, if they are taking dowry, so there is no problem. But there is a problem when they are demanding very high, that we want a Mercedes and then we will only marry, otherwise no.
Oh.
So that's bad. They can ask for dowry like that 1 lakh, 2 lakh rupees.
Right.
And but suppose here the bride family is very very rich, so they can ask for 10 lakh rupees more than. But if they are forcing, so that's bad. वी शुड आस्क फॉर द डावरी जब तक वो भी दे सकते हैं. जब तक उनकी रेंज 10 लाख तक है तो हम लोग 20 लाख मांग रहे हैं, तो वो गलत है और हमें पता हो रहा है ऊपर से. सो वी शुड ओनली आस्क फॉर देन 10 लाख देयर.
Good. And do you know something about religion?
या
Please tell me.
सो रिलीजन मीन्स धर्म, एंड देयर आर 2 definitions of it. First is rational and second is irrational. So the rational one is dharma means सच्चाई and अच्छाई. But nowadays, because of some fanatic Hindus are there, fanatic Muslims are there. So according to them, the definition of religion is God, and only Sanatan. Okay, and many people are there who say that मैं गर्व से कह सकता हूँ कि मैं हिंदू हूँ. So according to me, it's bad thing.
So why is it bad?
First fact, if they are in the case of marrying,
Okay.
suppose a girl is in love with a boy and he is a Muslim and girl is Hindu. So their parents will deny that अगर हिंदू होता,
So are they wrong or are they right?
according to me they are wrong, because caste is different but he is also a boy.
Religion is different.
Yeah, religion is different. And they will not deny, but society's mistake is also there. And I will not say that mistake. दे चुगली करना शुरू हो जाएगा, that he backbiting और bad mouthing.
Yes.
They will say love marriage तो कर ली और ऊपर से मुस्लिम में और की है. Now many people will be there. Now I will not go to his home or her home. So humiliation will be there, and because of afraid of that, fear of that.
So is the society right or wrong at its place?
According to me, society is wrong because mentality is not developed. Because in Western culture, suppose someone is Christian and second is Buddhist, so there will be no problem. But something will be there, like some basic information of the girl or boy, and suppose if it is right, so marriage will be there. So there is no problem. But in Indian culture, it is not like that, and according to me, it should be improved.
So what are the certain things that you like about religion? Or should the people follow no religion?
According to me, people can follow religion, Hindu, Muslim and Buddhist, but they can be neutral, or they can be monotheist, atheist or polygamist, but they should not be, or they cannot be fanatic.
So how could you say that they should be polygamist? It
Polygamist,
means they can have 3, 4, 5 wives? Polytheistic.
polytheistic, okay.
Okay. Polytheism.
Polytheism.
They can follow,
Yeah.
right? So there is a difference between polygamy and
Yeah.
polytheism.
Polytheist.
Huh.
I forgot about that, polytheist.
Okay.
Because if you are following 3 or 4 gods, so there is no problem. But if you are a fanatic, So there is problem because there are many. Suppose you have gone to give interview and someone asks you why do you love and why are you fanatic.
Okay.
Suddenly he gives some reasons that सनातन सबसे बड़ा धर्म है.
No, no, in interviews nobody will ask such questions. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
In interviews, I mean for the jobs, they don't ask such questions, right? So that's what you know about religion.
Yeah.
Is there anything else that you want to share about religion?
Yeah, in religion, many good and many bad things are all also there. Many fights are there on the name of Hindu and Muslim. So it's a very big issue.
Okay.
Yeah,
So are you worried about their fight between Hindu and Muslim?
yeah.
You want them to fight or you want them to get together?
There is no reason to fight on the religion and some politic reason like Kashmir,
Political reasons.
political reasons.
Hmm.
But most of the time, people don't like other because many reasons can be there. But one of them is religion and casteism.
Hmm.
Some people can say that मुझे मुस्लिम बिल्कुल अच्छे नहीं लगते, उनका धर्म कितना गंदा होता है ना.
Some people say that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it is tradition there.
Okay.
Suppose Hindu or people अब मुस्लिम कैन ऑल्सो फिर लाश को जलाते हैं, कितना पोल्यूशन होता है. वैसे ही दिल्ली में कितना पोल्यूशन हो रहा है ना.
Okay. These
So
contradictions are there.
yeah, contradictions are there.
And who is right? Who is wrong?
So in some points Hindu is right and in some points Muslim is right.
Okay.
So if I talk about the conclusion, so we can follow Hindu and Muslim, but we should be polytheist, monotheist or atheist or neutral. But if we are fanatic, so you can be fanatic, but your fanaticness should be in a limit.
Fanaticism.
Fanaticism
So fanaticism
should be in a limit.
should be in a
Not every time, because if you are going to a temple, so you can be fanatic. But if you are, we can say in a contradiction or in a conversation of religion, and some points are coming. So there you should be neutral. So that's the point, and we can follow it, and we most of the time or every time we should follow the religion of Sachai and Achai, humanity and goodness.
People should not be diabolical.
Yeah, diabolical.
Right? They should be human.
Yeah, if they want, so they can be, but at most of the time.
Can they be diabolical? Can they be diabolical?
Suppose I am not saying that only Sachai and Achai.
Okay.
If they want, so they can be, but not every time.
Okay. That's what you believe.
Yeah.
Okay. So Mr. Vihan, it was a nice conversation with you, and you tried to answer my questions to your level best.
Yeah.
According to your age, according to your experience, and according to your environment, what you see, what you observe, right?
Yeah.
And you tried to answer the questions. So Mr. Vihan, I want to ask you one thing. Before joining the institute, जब आपने ज्वाइन किया तो उसके जस्ट पहले इंग्लिश लर्निंग में आपकी कंडीशन क्या थी, क्या आपको याद है?
I think I was pathetic. I was like
जब मैं हिंदी में पूछूं तो हिंदी में, राइट?
Yeah.
तो मैं जानना चाहता हूँ आपकी कंडीशन क्या थी?
जब मैं फर्स्ट क्लास में था, मुझे ये तक नहीं पता था कि V का मतलब क्या होता है, WE वाला.
ओके, नहीं, जब फर्स्ट क्लास का नहीं पूछ रहा मैं, जब ज्वाइनिंग की थी तुमने इंग्लिश मेनिया के पहले, वो उस समय क्या कंडीशन थी? मतलब इंग्लिश के एक तो टेंसेस में और इंग्लिश के बोलने में.
वो टेंसेस मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं आते थे और थोड़े बहुत क्वेश्चन आते थे, जैसे व्हाट इज योर नेम, लाइक वेरी वेरी बेसिक, विच
वेरी बेसिक, व्हाट्स योर नेम, व्हाट्स योर फादर्स नेम,
या लाइक दिस. एंड उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं आता था इंग्लिश में.
तो फिर तुमने ये कैसे मेहनत की और कैसे कैसे तुम मतलब इम्प्रूव करते गए बाद में?
सो आई वाज डेडिकेटेड बिकॉज ऑफ इंग्लिश, and I also try to learn many topics, and tenses play a very important role in English language.
तो ये सारी जो टेंसेस है ना, ये आपके प्रैक्टिस में, क्योंकि ग्रामेटिकली आप बहुत हद तक सही हो, राइट? तो ये ग्रामेटिकली ये सही, एक्यूरेसी, ये कैसे आपकी लैंग्वेज में बनी? एक्यूरेसी इन ग्रामर.
Yeah, you should practice and
हिंदी you should mind the language.
जैसे कि हम लोग कॉपी ले,
पूछता है ना, उसको ध्यान
जैसे कि प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस है तो हम लोग कॉपी ले सकते हैं, उसमें बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन बना सकते हैं. और क्वेश्चन के अलावा हम लोग वैसे भी बात कर सकते हैं टेंसेस के द्वारा, जैसे कि क्वेश्चन पूछ के भी कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस पे क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं.
राइट, जैसे आपकी एक्टिविटीज हुई थी, राइट? सो उन एक्टिविटीज में जैसे हुआ था वैसे ही, राइट? क्वेश्चनिंग कर करके. कोई बच्चा जैसे इंग्लिश सीखना चाहता है, उसे बस लिखना और पढ़ना आता है, और वो इंग्लिश उसके मन में ये आता है मैं इंग्लिश सीख पाऊंगा या नहीं, तो ऐसे बच्चे के लिए तुम क्या संदेश देना चाहते हो?
इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू लर्न, ओके,
हिंदी,
अगर हम लोग नहीं सीख पा रहे हैं,
मान लो इंग्लिश नहीं आती है, तो वो इंग्लिश कैसे समझेगा?
अगर हम लोग बहुत कोशिशों के बाद भी नहीं सीख पा रहे हैं, बहुत टाइम हो गया, जैसे कि
सबसे पहले शुरू कैसे करें, वो हिम्मत कैसे कि मतलब मैं सीख पाऊंगा या नहीं, ऐसे सोचना उचित है
प्रॉब्लम
कि
उसे
नहीं।
ऐसे सोचना चाहिए, अगर नहीं सीख पाए तो फिर नहीं सीखूंगा, फिर छोड़ दूंगा इसको।
हम्म।
पर पहले एक बार ट्राई उसको जरूर करना चाहिए।
ओके, बाद में भले छोड़ दे,
हाँ।
पर ट्राई जरूर करना
या
चाहिए। क्यों, उसे ऐसा लगेगा ना रिस्क है, कहीं अगर मैं नहीं सीखा तो फिर।
so as I said it, life is like a risk, so we should take risk.
लाइफ इज अ रिस्क।
या
ओके, सो वी शुड टेक रिस्क।
या
ये मैसेज तुम देना चाहते हो,
या
राइट, सभी लोगों को।
यस
Okay, fine. So, Mr. Vihan, according to your knowledge and experience, you spoke nice, okay? And obviously, this is going to be recorded, and it has been recorded, right?
Yeah.
So you will get a link of it, right? And you would love to watch yourself. तो इससे आपको अपनी कमियां पता चलेंगी।
Yes.
अच्छा, इन दिनों आपको ऐसा क्या लगता है अपने इंग्लिश के मामले में, कम्युनिकेशन में ऐसे कमी क्या है अभी, जिस पे तुम्हें लगता है मुझे काम करना है?
आई थिंक आई एम नॉट, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लुएंट नहीं हूँ,
ओके,
जबकि वैसे तो हूँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं हूँ, थोड़ा बहुत कहीं भी अटक सकता हूँ मैं,
राइट।
है ना। और थोड़ा बहुत टेंस में भी कंफ्यूज में रहता है, जैसे कि जो कॉन्ट्रा फैक्चुअल होते हैं उनमें हमेशा ही कंफ्यूज रहता है, वो अजीब से होते हैं, मतलब डिफिकल्ट या कॉन्ट्रा फैक्चुअल।
ओके,
एंड थर्ड इज एक्सेंट, आई थिंक
एक्सेंट
इट्स कमिंग वेरी स्लोली स्लोली
स्लोली है
या
ना?
स्लोली
पहले से फर्क तो है।
या
चलो, तुम थोड़ा सा इस पे और फोकस करो, वॉइस एंड एक्सेंट, राइट।
या
इससे क्या है, स्पीच में क्लैरिटी बढ़ जाएगी,
या
राइट। चलो, दैट वाज इट, गुड, आई मीन इट वाज बेटर देन माय
Yeah.
एक्सपेक्टेशन, बिकॉज तुम बहुत गैप के बाद भी आए हो,
Yeah.
तो उसका एक फर्क दिखाई दे रहा है, राइट। अदरवाइज यू वुड बी वेरी मच कॉन्फिडेंट एंड
Yeah.
फ्लुएंट, राइट। चलो, दैट वाज इट, एंड यू कैन से बाय टू माय व्यूअर्स,
bye.
ऑल द व्यूअर्स, ओके।
बाय।